So let me take you back to the menu and let us look at the exchange. Like I said, we have 525 exchanges all over the world. And when you click here, for example, on the exchange, what are you going to have? We are going to have the exchange here, okay? You see the name of the exchange, and then you see the exchange score, you see the volume, all right, average liquidity, weekly visits, markets, coins, fiat supported, and the volume graph within 7 days. So it is very important for you to note here that Binance is the first of the 525 so far right now, because Binance has the highest number of volume that is being traded within 24 hours, and it has lots and lots of liquidity and lots of people visiting Binance within a week, like 16 million people visiting Binance per week. So Binance is the first exchange among all the other ones. Okay, so we have seen from these statistics, you can see why Binance is #1 exchange. And then we have the coin exchange. The coin exchange is another one. We have the FTX, all right, which is the third so far on Coinmarketcap. Then we have the Cool Coin. This is an exchange which is already on the Coinmarketcap. Then the fifth one is the Gate.io. So here we have the different types of exchange, and you can see their statistics, how many people are visiting them within 24 hours, their markets, the coins that they have, the fiat that supports, and the volume. So these are the exchange that we have, and most of these exchanges, they are actually centralized. Okay, they are actually centralized, and when we shall be dealing with the different types of exchange, we shall be talking about the centralized exchange, and then we shall also be looking at the decentralized exchange. Like you have DX, you can find DX here. All right, these are the centralized decentralized exchange. All right, when you have all these like Ken protocol, DYDX, you have Uniswap, you have Dodo, you have PancakeSwap, you have Dairy protocol, MDEX or Perpetual. All these are decentralized exchange. Okay, so basically, like I said, there are two types of exchanges. We have the centralized exchange like the Binance, and then we have the decentralized exchange. In our next video, we shall be looking at the watch list.